Hey everyone, today we are diving into a common Windows error code. This error can manifest in various scenarios from Windows Update to Microsoft Outlook. Scenario 1, Windows Update Error. These errors often occur due to corrupted system files. To fix this, run System File Checker. Open command prompt as administrator. Type sfc space slash scan now and press enter. Let the scan complete and restart your PC. Scenario 2, Disk Corruption. A corrupted hard drive or a system reserved partition can also trigger this error. Run check disk. Open command prompt as administrator, type and press enter. This will scan and repair any disk errors. Scenario 3, Low disk space. Insufficient storage can lead to various system issues, including this error. Search for disk cleanup in Start menu and run it. Select the drive and let it scan for unnecessary files. Choose the files to delete and confirm. Scenario 4, Microsoft Outlook error. If you encounter this error in Outlook, it's often due to a corrupted profile or file. Reinstall Microsoft Outlook. To reinstall, go to Control Panel, click on Program and Features, uninstall Microsoft Office. Restart your PC and reinstall the latest version of Microsoft Office. To learn more on how to fix Windows error code, click on the link in description below.